All right, so in the last series of videos, we went over what it would be like if you invested $200 a month into your savings account, assuming an average return rate of 6%, 0.6%. So that's not even 1%, but 0.6%. So now we're going to change this up, and let's assume we're going to put in $500 for the next 5 years. What you come up with is you've invested $30,000 of your own money. You now have $30,460. So let's see if we jump to 10 years, calculate that. You've invested $60,000. Now you have $61,000. Let's jump to 15 years, and this is still investing $500 a month consistently. At the end of 15 years, you've invested $90,000. You have $4,000 in interest, which is about $94,000. Jump to 20 years. Let's calculate that. You've invested $120,000. You have $7,000, $7,500. So you're like $127,000. Let's see, we jump to 25. 25 years, you've invested $150,000. You have almost $12,000 in interest, so you're at $161,000. And the grand total, let's see, 30 years. So let's say you start at 35 and you're trying to retire at 65. You've invested $180,000 and you've gained $17,000 in interest for $197,000. Now, if you want to see what it looks like to compare investing in the savings account versus the stock market, check out the next video so you can see side by side what those returns look like.